This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Explorer. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.